Anya, and today I really want to make some Gourmet Hostess Cupcakes. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, combine a half a cup of flour plus 2 tablespoons of flour, a third cup cocoa powder, a half a teaspoon baking powder, a quarter teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, beat together 2 egg yolks, a third cup of oil, a half a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients. I did this in 2 batches. Mix until well combined. In a bowl with 2 egg whites, mix until foamy. Then add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. I did this in 2 batches. And mix until stiff and glossy. Fold into the cupcake mixture. Spoon out into cupcake pans and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. In a bowl, combine 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of slightly melted marshmallows, 1.5 cups of icing sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of heavy cream. Mix until well combined. And that was a bad idea. Don't mix with a hand mixer. Rather use a spoon to mix everything until it's well combined. In a bowl, combine 4 ounces of chopped chocolate and a 1/4 cup of hot heavy cream. Allow to sit for a few minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix until smooth. Cut a hole out of the bottom of the cupcake. Fill with your marshmallow filling. You can do this in 2 methods. You can either cut a hole at the bottom, or you can stick your nozzle into the cupcake and fill it that way. Spoon ganache on top of each cupcake and spread out evenly. Allow to set for a few minutes. Pipe squiggles on top of the cupcake. And my piping bag just broke. Great. And ta-da! You have Gourmet Hostess Cupcakes.